Hello students, today we discuss a new chapter of civics, the marginalized group and social justice. What is the meaning of marginalized? Marginalized, just we assume that this is our society and lots of people are in the center of this circle. But the group of people who lives in this margin, not the outside of the society and not the inner part of the society, just as a बॉर्डर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, या दूसरे टर्म में इसको ऐसे समझिए जैसे ये पेज हुआ तो यहाँ से हम लाइन खींचेंगे, ये लाइन खींचा, इस साइड ज़्यादा स्पेस है और इस साइड जो है वो बहुत कम स्पेस है। तो मार्जिन, ऐसे भी आप सुनते हैं कि मार्जिन, जो मार्जिन होता है हमारा, ये ऐसे मार्जिन, दिस वन, तो मार्जिन से बना हुआ मार्जिनलाइज्ड, मार्जिनल हास्याकरण। तो मार्जिनलाइज्ड में जनरली आप देखेंगे कि जो हमारा सोसाइटी है वो शुरू से ही इस इनइक्वालिटी को फॉलो करता है। ऋग्वेदा और वैदिक एज जब हुआ था उस समय में, तो दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सोशल इनइक्वालिटीज, एंड सोशल इनइक्वालिटीज आर द बिगेस्ट हिंड्रेंस in the smooth functioning of the democratic government. Democratic government is work on the basis of justice and equality. When we talking about social inequality, then this one is the problem with the democratic government. And we follow the Varna system, and the upper part of the Varna system is Brahman, Kshatriya, but the lower part, the last ladder of the Varna system is Sudras, and Sudras were supposed to serve the upper caste. The condition of Sudras were very miserable. They were ill-treated. They were not allowed to enter the temple to draw water from public wells. These are the discrimination, and from the Vedas, या ऋग Vedas period, we continue to follow this type of system. But our constitution denied this type of practice. Who are marginalized group in the society? Mainly the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and minorities comes in marginalized group. Marginalized section, they belong to also economically and socially backward classes, EBC, economically and socially backward classes. Constitution of India has made considerable provision for the benefit and has provided them with a special privilege also. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Our constitution decide the term scheduled caste. Mainly untouchables are known as scheduled caste. And according to the census of 2011, they are nearly account for 16.6% of the total Indian population. Now, who is scheduled tribe? There is no clear definition available in scheduled tribe, but simple definition: socially discarded and economically backward. They constitutes about 8.6% of Indian population as per the census of 2011, and they mostly resides in forest and hilly area, outside our society. The Government of India Act 1935 first time brought the term scheduled caste into use. Few points about the Adivasi. And Adivasi means origin in habitat. They are 8% of the total population of India. More than 500 Adivasi group are found in India. They have one culture, specific culture. They practice their own religion, which is different from the Hinduism and Christianity. They worship nature. they and they speak their own language. Adivasi live in the state of Bihar, Bengal, Odisha, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, northeastern state of India. The variety, the types are Gond, Santhal, Bhil, Nagas, Khasi, Garo, etc. Some example of Adivasi living in India. And most of them do not have much access to education, and they still follow their own traditional lifestyle. The government of India has taken several measures to boost the social and economic well-being of these people. Now we're talking about OBC, other backward classes, and like scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. According to the Mandal Commission report, they count for 52% of the total population. Pie chart showing minorities, Muslim, Sikh, how much percentage in our population. Okay, minorities, you know that comparatively less in number are compared to the other section. Minority may be in term of religion, language. According to the census 2011, the minorities account to 19.4% of the total population. 19.4% of the total population. Now, constitutional provision for safeguarding the interest of marginalized group. Our constitution make several articles related to the safeguard of their interest. Article 15, it states that every citizen should be treated equally without any discrimination. Article 46 say that the state to protect all the section of the society from social injustice done to them and all form of exploitation. Article 17 state untouchability is obliged, and enforcement of any disparity on the basis of untouchability shall be punishable offense. Article 338 and 338, the state that there will a national commission for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, okay, which will ensure that constitutional provision for their upliftment and follow the implement. Article 164, according to Article 164 of the Indian Constitution, the state of Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, means where the people of Adivasi and tribes belong, will appear a minister in charge for a welfare of SC, ST and OBC. Okay? Okay, thank you very much.